Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this interesting question. And our question is 5,678 plus 6,785 plus 7,856 and plus finally 8,567 all divided by 13. And now our task is to simplify this given expression to get the exact value of this given expression. And please bear in mind, we are not supposed to be using calculators of any kind. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started with the solution, and let's focus once again on this given problem. And now let's make an observation. We got this number 5678. This number is 6785. This number is 7856, and finally this number is 8567. And such kind of numbers are called the looping numbers. And now we can see these numbers are put in a horizontal fashion. And here I have wrote down these numbers vertically. And now let's make an observation. We see this position is our units. This is tenth, this is hundredth, and this is thousandth. And here we can see our thousandth position is 5, and our this hundredth position is 5 as well. The 10th position is 5, and then 5. Likewise for number 6, this is in this position, then this one, then this and this, and likewise 7, 7, 7, and then 7 at the ones place. And finally we can see 8, 8, 8, and 8. So therefore all these numbers could be written as 5,555, 6,666, 7,777, and finally 8,888. And now we can see if we add these numbers up, we are going to get the exactly same number as when we add these number up. It's going to be identical. So therefore we can write these all numbers in this fashion. As you can see in this next step, inside this parentheses, all these numbers could be written as this fashion. And now let's make an observation. We can see this number, this could be written as 5 times 1111. Likewise, this number could be written as 6 times 1111. And likewise, this number could be written as 7 times 1111. And finally, this number could be written as 8 times 1111, as you can see in this next step. And now we can see 1111 is in common across the board on the left hand side. So therefore I could bring 1111 outside, and inside the parentheses we ended up with this 5, 6, 7, and 8. So therefore I can write 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 divided by 13. And if we add all these numbers inside this parentheses, that adds up to 26, as you can see in this next step. And now I can tweak 26 could be written as 2 times 13, as you can see in this next step. And we can see 2 times 13 is 26. And now we can see 1111 times 2 is going to give us 2,222, as you can see in this next step. And now we can see 13 divided by 13 is going to give us simply 1, as you can see in this next step. So thus we conclude that this whole given expression simplifies to 2,222, and that's our answer. So thus, after all the calculations and manipulations, our simplified answer turns out to be 2222. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.